Hi friends, welcome to AVS Future Solar channel. Today we are going to discuss about Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. So how will you define Ohm's law? So we can define the relationship between the potential difference V, the current I and resistance in a DC circuit. This was first discovered by the scientist George Simon Ohm is called Ohm's law. So we may define as the current flowing through the DC circuit is directly proportional to the potential difference across the circuit provided the temperature remains constant. So V is directly proportional to I. V is equal to IR. I is equal to V divided by R. So what is the limitation of Ohm's law? Ohm's law does not apply to all non-metallic conductors. It does not apply to non-linear devices such as Zener diode and voltage regulator. It holds good only for constant temperature. So this is known as Ohm's law. Now we are going to discuss about Kirchhoff's law. So Kirchhoff's law means the entire electric circuit is based on the Kirchhoff's laws only. So this was first discovered by Gustav Kirchhoff, a German scientist. Find his findings with electrical circuit in a set of two laws, a current and a voltage law, which are together known as Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff's current law and Kirchhoff's voltage law. So first we will discuss about Kirchhoff's current law. So this is defined as the algebraic sum of current meeting at a junction or a node in an electric circuit is 0. So here in this diagram, I1 is the current, I2, I3 and I4, I5 is the current flowing towards and away from the junction. So the current which flows towards the junction is given by plus I1 and away from the junction is given by minus I2. So plus I1 plus minus I2 plus I3 plus minus I4 plus I5 is equal to 0. Therefore I1 minus I2 plus I3 minus I4 plus I5 is equal to 0. I1 plus I3 plus I5 is equal to I2 plus I4. Therefore, the sum of incoming currents is equal to sum of outgoing current. The sum of the current flowing towards any junction in an electric circuit is equal to the sum of current flowing away from the junction. This is known as Kirchhoff's current law. Now we will define Kirchhoff's voltage law. Voltage law means in any closed circuit or mesh or loop, the algebraic sum of all the voltages taken around is 0. Therefore, summation of IR plus summation EMF is equal to 0. So how we are going to explain this in the theoretical way means, if we start from any point in a closed circuit and go back to that point, after going round the circuit, there is no increase or decrease in the potential at that point. This means that the sum of EMFs and sum of voltage drop or rise met on the way is 0. A rise in potential can be assumed positive, while a fall in potential can be considered negative. So the first diagram shows rise in voltage, that is minus to plus sign. Second diagram shows fall in voltage, plus to minus, so it is given by minus V. And the third diagram shows fall in voltage, that is plus 2 minus E fall in voltage. Fourth diagram shows minus 2 plus rise in voltage, that is given by plus E. Thank you. Keep on watching this video.